how can we develop that same heart that poets like Kabir have for you? How can we develop the same heart that these great poets have?
Same heart as what?
Kabir, the poet Kabir.
Why not? See the handicap of Kabir. You have no handicaps. Kabir had no mother to tell him, no mother to love him, look after him and tell him all these things. He had a guru. If you know Kabir's life, Kabir wanted to become the disciple of Ramananda Swami. But he was a Muslim or low caste or whatever it is. So he could not reach Ramananda Swami. The disciples would not allow him to go near Ramananda Swami. So one day Kabira went and slept on the steps of the river Ganges whole night in the cold, waiting for Ramananda Swami to come, because he used to always pass the same way, and his feet fell on Kabira, and he said, "Oh my child, what are you doing here?" So Kabira got up and he said, "Sir, you have accepted me as your disciple today." He said, "Yes, I have." And then Ramananda Swami took him and he trained him into something great. You don't have these handicaps. Kabira never had anybody to support him or help him around. Actually, single-handed, he fought the whole world. Horrible people were around him. Even today, those who are in his place, in Patna, or all places where he lived, I was surprised that he described Kundalini as Surati, and they described tobacco as Surati. Such horrible, nonsensical people making fun of everything. There Kabira lived and developed that heart. You don't have all these handicaps at all. You all speak the same language, you live with the same ideas, you have your own mother to tell you everything, so you can develop the same heart as Kabira had.
सब गुरुओं की गुरु मेरी माता है, सिर्फ तुमसे मेरा नाता है। आदि गुरु तुम ही हो, श्री माँ मेरी तुम ही हो। आदि गुरु तुम ही हो, श्री माँ मेरी तुम ही हो। सब देवों की हो जननी, सब देवों की हो जननी, परमेश्वरी तुम ही हो। आदि गुरु तुम ही हो, श्री माँ मेरी तुम ही हो। आदि गुरु तुम ही हो, श्री माँ मेरी तुम ही हो। सब देवों की हो जननी, सब देवों की हो जननी, परमेश्वरी तुम ही हो। आदि गुरु तुम ही हो, श्री माँ मेरी तुम ही हो। आदि गुरु तुम ही हो। डाली भंवर में नैया, अब तुम हो मेरी खिवैया। डाली भंवर में नैया, अब तुम हो मेरी खिवैया। रोकेगा कौन कश्ती, तेरे आगे है किसकी हस्ती। रोकेगा कौन कश्ती, तेरे आगे है किसकी हस्ती। मर्जी तेरी चलेगी, मेरी नैया बढ़ी चलेगी। मर्जी तेरी चलेगी, मेरी नैया बढ़ी चलेगी। सर को झुकाए अंबर, सजदा हवा करेगी। आदि गुरु तुम ही हो, श्री माँ मेरी तुम ही हो। आदि गुरु कोई सवाली, जाता नहीं है खाली, तेरे दर से कोई सवाली, जाता नहीं है खाली। चरणों में चित्त रख दो, माँ की होगी मेहरबानी। आदि गुरु तुम ही हो, श्री माँ मेरी तुम ही हो। आदि गुरु तुम ही हो, श्री माँ मेरी तुम ही हो। देती हो क्या मुझे तुम, कैसे तुम्हें बताऊं। देती हो क्या मुझे तुम, कैसे तुम्हें बताऊं। जन्नत सारे जहां की, तेरे चरणों में ही मैं पाऊं। जन्नत सारे जहां की, तेरे चरणों में ही मैं पाऊं। मेरा प्यार माँ तुम ही हो, संसार माँ तुम ही हो। मेरा प्यार माँ